lunatic fringe began dreaming of a more capable Jeep Wrangler. Through hard work and a little rebel ingenuity, they realized their dream in the Rubicon. Today, the spirit of the lunatic fringe lives on in the most powerful Jeep Wrangler yet. The new Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 20th Anniversary Edition. Yet another crazy dream come true.
Introducing the 2023 20th Anniversary Rubicon. Available as a 4xe and a 392. Now that's offering our customers a choice. Wheels. Now, let's take a look at it simply. Here's what 392 plus 20 years of Rubicon gets you. Rugged power from a V8 with 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. These numbers translate to a 0 to 60 time of 4.5 seconds and a quarter mile time of 13 seconds flat, making this the quickest, fastest, and most powerful Wrangler yet. It arrives on 35-inch KO2 tires, and for the first time, Mopar developed factory-installed onboard air compressor. These Rubicons are limited editions. Only 4,000 will be built. No doubt, these vehicles will become collectors. You can check it out on Jeep.com. By the end of 2025, the entire Jeep brand lineup will be electrified here in North America. And by 2030, we expect that 50% of our Jeep brand sales in the United States will be fully electric. This Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Rubicon 20th Anniversary Level 2 by American Expedition Vehicles. This unique Wrangler upfit follows in the same spirit as the Lunatic Fringe by taking Wrangler Rubicon to a new level. This 20th Anniversary Edition is unmatched in the 4x4 world. Listen to these stats. 14.2 inches of ground clearance, an incredible 50 degrees of approach angle, 33-degree breakover, a 43-degree departure angle. Now combine that with 37 inches of water footing, this Jeep is unstoppable. And yes, it's riding on 37 BFG KO2s. It also comes with 2.5-inch suspension lift. It's available with the incredible Bilstein 5100 or 8100 shocks. It has a worn winch. It has AED front and rear steel bumpers and LED off-road lights. This vehicle is yet another reminder that we don't make Jeep, you do.
To the front of all new Ram Evolution. The wheel for this one. Try to bring it back. built, there's a door that comes down. You can put something 20 feet long in there.
Oh, yeah?
Snap it here.
Oh, yeah.
Because these
Access
are power
panel.
tracks.
Yeah.
No, okay, but the it does. So the glass goes aside and then the gate folds down. But the seats you can literally detach them from there. Right. There's no continuation of the network. Beyond that, if you have luggage that you can put inside here, additional accessories or straps, you can put one here, one there, and just simply by pushing the button, the strap, whatever you're carrying, without you trying to wrap it.
Now, Ryan hasn't given us an indication of what this will cost. They haven't given us any indication of what trim levels are available. They do know.
Yeah.
Well, this is steeper, yeah. Well, this is 40 degrees. 38 feet. 28 feet. 28 feet. So, oh my God. It's fun. I want to do it.
Oh, man. Okay. I'm gonna have a set of slicks by the end of the day.
I catch up on work. When I was there, we got to hang out with her, and then I'll watch the next game. Yeah.
Hi, Kristen. John Davis. How are you? Nice to see you.
Got a mosquito net on the top. Yes, it's like
Yeah.
mosquito netting.
Like the announcers were talking like crazy numbers. Yeah, it's still 1260 front over there. In the air, like so long.
I'm impressed with all the stitching.
Just that, which is $20.
She's going to give it some.
Sure, you guys go.
Good. I'm happy with
All right, man.
Hey, hold up.
Good. We're low already.
Feel the Fort Low coming?
Well, you can feel it just when you let off the brake there. Torquing up.
All right, let's
Good.
hit it.
Okay. So welcome, this is the Gladiator. It's gonna give you somewhere around 285 on the horsepower and 260 on the torque. This part right here we like to call the breakover. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. And if you see some of the other key features, we have the back cam, we have the forward cam for you right here. The next section you see right here is called off camber, amber. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Thank you, sir. And what we're basically doing is displaying. We have the sway bars disconnected, which is basically allows the flexibility or what we call articulation for this particular vehicle. And the next section is called ground clearance, which was basically doing the same. Showing you how basically we can crawl up the steps. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah.
Oh, how smooth that was.
Crazy. Smoother than my truck.
Oh, see? There it is. See, there it is. All right, so this next section right here, we like to call the traction. And once we get the clearance from them right here, all right, we got the clearance to go. And here we go. Up, up, and away we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh, yeah.
How much longer wheelbase is this than the Wrangler 4-door?
That's a great question. When we come back up here, then we can actually ask one of the show some of the other key
Gotta be
features
pretty
too.
close, actually.
So that's the radio. We can also go to the apps, and we should have the roadside. There it is.
Does it have the electric sway bars on it?
The electric sway bars.
Yeah. Nice.
So this right here is the pitch and roll. So up there had to be at least about a 40-degree angle heel at its peak. And you see we can get the pitch and roll like information from here as well. We also have what we call the accessory gauge. This is absolutely, this is one of my favorite parts. So this is letting you know in real time all of, you know, what's going on up under the hood. So your coolants, your oil temperatures, all of that good stuff. This right here is to make sure that your sway bars are disconnected or connected as well. So see that right there. And then of course your trailer cam. You know, when you're towing all of your come across nice and smooth. As smooth as it can be. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Ah, of course, right? Good.
All right, one more.
You want to get in here? Come on.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
No nibbling.
Oh, that one's ready to take a nap. You can tell by the look in his face.
Not at all. I'll enjoy this. 100%.
I kind of did that traction whole thing.
We've probably got clock or something.